want to go mess around the old house. Those things is dangerous. You're liable to get hurt.
I see things.
Look what your brother did to that dog!
Grave robbing in Texas is this hour's top news story.
I live right off this road. Hello, is anybody home? I was at the slaughterhouse.
I got an uncle that works at a slaughterhouse.
Hey, my brother worked there. My grandfather, too.
Look, I got some good barbecue here. Why don't you fellas stick around here a while?